Hi, and welcome to the Scrapping Studio. My name is Tracy Walker, Creative Memories Advisor in Des Moines, Iowa. And welcome to episode 4, where we're going to do the layout number 4, and it's a one-page layout. It's got these great triangles. It only has one photo on it, so thinking this could be, if you had the way your months work, if you're doing January through December and using all the collections, you may only need this one page. Otherwise, you could do a second page where it is similar background, but you're just going to use um, add more photos on that. So it could be completely different. I was thinking like, three, 9 3x3s, adding in these papers so that they carry over from one page to the other is my thought. So when I do that, I will share that with you, but we're not going to do that today for that. So this one just fairly goes together fairly simple. This was cut with the pinking blade, and I could gut, if I wanted to, the back, and this is beige cardstock. So I could, to save paper, I could do that. All right, and that did not. Let's one more time. This needs to just come up a little bit. All right. All right. Let's lay out these. All right, so I got this one. Oh my gosh, I cannot pick these up to save my life. All right, maybe this one. Nope, it goes like that. And this has to go over here like that. All right, like that, and this here, and then this. Oh, so then this is like kind of like this. I think overlapping is okay. And then, oh, here we go. This little guy right here. Because this will, let's lay that kind of right on top. And that turned out just right. All right, so let's kind of just, I'm just going to put like that. Let's see here. Oops. There we go. Like that. Comes in like that. Whew, that wind is brutal. All right. There we go. Looks like this might be over just like that. So it's not totally centered, but all right. So right there we go. And then that fits in there perfectly. All right, so we've got April. I am going to take the sticky off of this one. There we go. move that over, and that was really like, really, once that's on there, that's on there, I feel like, in some ways. All right. Let's see. Right there, like that. There we go. Put those to the side. This does it does overlap. It looks like some. So I'm gonna just take the top one off and not do that. Okay. So now then this has all these. Let's have this one. I'm not gonna put it over it. I'm just gonna put it like that. All right. That's kind of, I'm not going to do, let's see, oops. Not all of them I'm going to put up on foam, just some of them. So where's love? Oh, here's love. We'll put love on foam. And we'll use these little thin ones. Like that. All right, so then the next one is to get, let's see, this one, Chasing Rainbows. Just like that. And then I'm going to put Flower Power on these. Creative Memories just came out with the thin foam squares again, along with some thin foam tape. So I'm really excited about that, to use that. I have a big thing of foam tape that I still need to use up, but now I can offer that to everybody because I was using it, but I didn't have, I could say, I could tell people, yeah, just buy it off of, from someone else or Amazon or, so I'm very glad that they're offering that now. All right, and that goes there. All right, so then Easter Blessings, do the same thing. There we go. To get the vacuum out and vacuum up all these little pieces, they definitely do not always make it into the trash. All right, that goes. Great, that works right there. Okay, these are all empty. All right, and then Green Goddess can go right and poof that up a little bit. That goes right there, and then this one goes just like that behind it or in front of it, one of the two. Okay, for that. And then so they also have the write-on strips, so you could I could put write-on strips in there, but I'm going to leave this open as is and decide what I will do with all of that. But that turned out super cute. I really like the triangles for that. So this project playbook was designed by Sachio. I know I'm just gonna butcher her name, but she's a longtime Creative Memories advisor who recently, I think, moved back to Japan. So she's very talented and did an excellent job with these layouts. So that is layout number 4. We are done. So this, I was gonna show you, like, this is a lot of paper that's left. So you could make lot more layouts for that. And obviously they did, what was it? I think they did January, October, November. So January, November, October, and April. So you've got all those other months that you can do. So thanks for joining me for another episode of Sketch of the Scrapping Studio. My name is Tracy Walker. I hold 7 events a year, and I will put all the information on how to connect with me below. Thank you so much to all my subscribers. I really appreciate you. If you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button so then you get notified when my videos release. I do have a video that releases every single Sunday called Sketch Sunday, and we're working our way through a project recipe book that Creative Memories released, I think about 3 years ago. So it's been really fun, and got some super cute layouts from there. So thanks for joining me and have a great day.